years into the future, artificial intelligence has seemingly solved all of humanity's problems, from climate change to viral diseases. But at what cost? AI has infiltrated every aspect of human life, including love and relationships.
From science fiction to reality, how AI is changing the game. Have you ever looked at your phone and felt like a little uneasy? Like maybe it knows you a little too well? Ever wonder if that voice assistant is just a helpful tool or like something more? Well, the truth is, artificial intelligence is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It's here, it's real, and it's changing the game in ways you've never imagined. From creepy to cool, from scary to spectacular, this is the story of AI and how it's about to blow your mind. Stick around because buckle up. We're about to dive down the rabbit hole of artificial intelligence, and let's just say things are about to get weird. Imagine a world where machines can learn and chat like us, play games better than any human ever could, and even drive us around. That's the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, AI. And it's not just some far-off dream anymore. AI is slowly creeping into our everyday lives, and its story goes way back. The very idea of intelligent machines has been around for centuries. Back in ancient times, people wrote stories about wondrous automatons and crafted beings, sparking a curiosity about whether machines could ever become truly intelligent. Fast forward to the 1800s, and brilliant minds like Ada Lovelace, a math whiz, began thinking about machines that could do complex calculations. These were the early whisperers of what would become the loud roar of AI in the 1900s. Then came Alan Turing, a real-life superhero who cracked a secret code during World War II and is known as the father of computer science. In 1950, Turing had a groundbreaking idea, the Turing test. This test would basically see if a machine could chat with a human in a way that the human wouldn't know they were talking to a machine. It was a revolutionary thought, and it jump-started the whole field of AI research. The 1950s and 60s were like a golden age for AI, filled with excitement and optimism. Scientists like Marvin Minsky, a real AI rock star, envisioned machines that could learn and solve problems just like humans. This period also saw the birth of the coolest places ever. AI labs at MIT and Stanford, where brainiacs worked tirelessly to make intelligent machines a reality. But then things got a bit tricky. As researchers dug deeper, they realized creating machines that could truly think and reason was way harder than they thought. Imagine trying to climb Mount Everest. That's kind of what it was like. The computers weren't powerful enough, and the whole concept of human intelligence was just super complex. Funding for research slowed down, and by the 1970s, AI entered its first winter, a time when not much progress was made and people started to get discouraged. But even in winter, there's always a chance for spring. The 1980s brought a revival of AI thanks to two things: computers that were much more powerful and brand new problem-solving methods called algorithms. This era saw the rise of expert systems, which are basically computer programs that act like super knowledgeable specialists in a particular area. The 90s brought a whole new wave of AI with something called machine learning. This approach was all about training machines to learn from information, like showing a program a bunch of pictures of cats and dogs until it could tell the difference on its own. This was a game changer. From computers that could beat chess champions to filters that automatically send annoying emails to the trash, machine learning made AI a real part of our everyday world. The new millennium brought even more exciting breakthroughs. Deep learning, a kind of machine learning inspired by the human brain, became the star. Deep learning algorithms could process information in a whole new way, allowing them to tackle super difficult tasks like recognizing faces in photos or understanding spoken language. Today, AI is everywhere. It tailors your social media feeds to your interests, recommends movies you might like, and even helps self-driving cars navigate the roads. AI is also being used to fight diseases, protect our environment, and even explore outer space. But the story isn't over yet. As AI continues to develop, it brings up some big questions. What exactly does it mean to be intelligent? Can machines ever truly be conscious? And how can we make sure AI is used for good and not for bad? These are the questions that the brightest minds are working on right now. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing's for sure, this incredible technology has the power to change our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So hold on tight because the ride is going to be amazing. Bringing it down to the 21st century, AI becomes even more interesting. The stage where artificial intelligence, AI, takes its spotlight shifts to the bustling corridors of the modern office. Here, amidst the click-clack of keyboards and the hum of productivity, AI emerges as the star of the show, driving unprecedented increases in efficiency and innovation. Imagine you wake up, grab your phone, and a news app suggests articles you'd love to read. You message a friend, and your phone corrects your typos before you even hit send. Later, you hop in your car, and it navigates traffic like a seasoned pro thanks to AI. This is just a glimpse into our everyday lives in the 21st century, a world brimming with artificial intelligence. AI is basically computer technology that mimics human intelligence. It can learn, analyze information, and even make decisions. While it may not be exactly like having a real-life robot butler yet, AI is woven into the fabric of our lives in many ways, big and small. Let's take a trip to Netflix land. How does the platform know exactly which documentaries or funny cat videos you'll love? AI, my friend. It analyzes your viewing habits and recommends shows that you might enjoy. Spooky, right? But also kind of cool. AI is also a pro at making our lives easier. Stuck on a crossword clue? No problem. AI-powered chatbots can answer your questions in seconds. Need to translate a document for work? AI translation tools can do it in a flash, breaking down language barriers and making communication a breeze. But AI's reach extends far beyond entertainment and convenience. It's being used to tackle some of humanity's biggest challenges. Imagine doctors using AI to analyze medical scans and detect diseases earlier. Or scientists using AI to develop new medicines and treatments for illnesses. AI is even being used to combat climate change, helping us understand complex weather patterns and find ways to conserve energy. In this digital age, where time is money and data reigns supreme, machine learning technologies reign as the undisputed champions of progress. They orchestrate the symphony of workflow management, conduct the melody of trend predictions, and even compose the harmony of brand advertising strategies. The result? A crescendo of productivity never before heard or seen. Take, for example, a daring move by a Japanese venture capital firm, which recently made history by appointing an AI board member. Why? Because this AI could read the pulse of the market faster than any human analyst, predicting trends with an almost mystical precision. The potential of AI seems limitless. Self-driving cars, powered by AI, are becoming a reality, promising safer roads and less traffic congestion. AI is also being used in finance, with algorithms analyzing markets to make smarter investments. Even farmers are getting in on the AI action, using AI-powered tools to optimize crop yields and manage their land more effectively. But AI's influence doesn't stop there. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer. Businesses are training AI to handle customer support calls, slashing costs, and enhancing service quality. It's like having a tireless assistant, scanning databases and scouring the web to pinpoint potential customers with eerie accuracy. The potential of AI stretches far beyond the confines of the office. It's a force poised to revolutionize everyday life, from self-driving cars, navigating city streets, to more precise weather forecasts, and even the frontiers of space exploration. And in the realm of cybersecurity and healthcare, AI emerges as a beacon of hope, analyzing vast troves of data to prevent cyberterrorism and revolutionize personalized medical treatment. Yet, despite this whirlwind of progress, a note of caution lingers. As remarkable as AI may be, it lacks the human touch, the intuition that guides our most profound decisions. It's a reminder that in this dance between man and machine, harmony is key. Take advertising, for instance, where AI handles the nitty-gritty of purchasing through programmatic exchanges, freeing advertisers to focus on crafting content that captivates and inspires. And while the visions of science fiction may have painted a more extravagant picture, the reality of AI's progress is no less awe-inspiring. After all, not everyone is ready for humanoid robots or self-learning spaceships. What matters is the tangible impact AI is having on our lives, from the boardroom to the living room, reshaping the world in ways we never thought possible. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility, as Uncle Ben from Spider-Man might say. There are concerns about AI replacing human jobs, and let's be honest, some of the ideas in sci-fi movies about super intelligent robots taking over the world can be a bit scary. But here's the thing, AI is a tool. And just like any tool, it depends on how we use it. If we develop AI responsibly, it has the potential to make our world a better place. We need to make sure AI is used for good, to solve problems and improve our lives, not create new ones. Here's the exciting part. AI is still young, and we're only just beginning to explore its potential. The future holds incredible possibilities. Imagine AI helping us colonize Mars or unraveling the mysteries of the universe. The possibilities are mind-boggling. So, AI in the 21st century is a powerful tool with the potential to revolutionize our world. It's up to us to ensure it's used for good, to create a future where humans and AI work together to build a better tomorrow. Buckle up because this ride is going to be wild.